Preparing for your driving test or just need a quick refresher on road signs? This video has you covered. We'll test your knowledge with a fun quiz featuring 40 essential road signs every driver should know to help you stay sharp and ready for the road. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful content. Let's dive in. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? C. Rest area. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? B. Risk of ice ahead. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. Curve left. Question 4. Do you know which sign is the ferry sign? Question 5. What does this road sign represent? C. Breakdown assistance. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? Risk of ice ahead. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? Ferry. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? Rest area. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? C. Uneven surface. Question 10. Do you know which sign is the icy conditions may exist sign? Question 11. What does this road sign mean? A. Pedestrians. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? B. Loose chippings. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? C. Warning of maximum headroom of arch bridge directly ahead. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? Icy conditions may exist. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? Loose chippings. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? Pedestrians. Question 17. What does this road sign indicate? End of an area where vehicles may be parked partially on the verge or footway. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? B. Divided road intersection ahead. Question 19. Do you know which sign is the parking sign? Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? B. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? C. Priority road. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? No stopping. Question 23. What does this road sign mean? B. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. Question 24. Can you identify this road sign? C. Priority road. Question 25. What does this road sign indicate? C. Farm vehicles. Question 26. What does this road sign mean? B. Ramp speed advisory. Question 27. What does this road sign indicate? A. Height limit ahead. Question 28. Do you know which sign is the U.S. route marker 2 digits sign? Question 29. What does this road sign mean? C. Hump bridge. Question 30. What does this road sign indicate? Height limit ahead. Question 31. Can you identify this road sign? U.S. route marker, 2 digits. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? Hump bridge. Question 33. What does this road sign indicate? C. Cyclists must dismount their bikes and walk. Question 34. Do you know which sign is the no stopping sign? Question 35. Can you identify this road sign? A. Single lane shift, left. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? B. Lane 1 closed. Question 37. What does this road sign mean? B. Keep minimum distance shown. Question 38. Can you identify this road sign? Single lane shift, left. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? Cyclists must dismount their bikes and walk. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? Keep minimum distance shown. Question 41. Can you identify this road sign? B. With flow cycle lane. Question 42. What does this road sign indicate? A. Left lane exits. Question 43. What does this road sign mean? A. Lane 2 and 3 closed ahead. Question 44. Can you identify this road sign? B. Crosswalk ahead. Question 45. Do you know which sign is the part-time traffic signals ahead sign? Question 46. What does this road sign mean? Crosswalk, ahead. Question 47. Can you identify this road sign? Left lane exits, next lane exit, or through. Question 48. What does this road sign indicate? With flow cycle lane. Question 49. What does this road sign mean? C. Do not drive on tracks. Question 50. Do you know which sign is the lane ends in 1,500 meters sign? Question 51. What does this road sign indicate? A. No right turn. Question 52. What does this road sign mean? B. No littering. Question 53. Can you identify this road sign? C. Cross other side. Question 54. What does this road sign indicate? No right turn. Question 55. What does this road sign mean? No littering. Question 56. Can you identify this road sign? Do not drive on tracks. Question 57. What does this road sign indicate? Drawbridge ahead. Question 58. What does this road sign mean? B. Train station. Question 59. Do you know which sign is the weight limit sign? Question 60. What does this road sign indicate? B. No U-turns. Question 61. What does this road sign mean? C. Camping. Question 62. Can you identify this road sign? No U-turns. Question 63. What does this road sign indicate? Train station. Question 64. What does this road sign mean? Camping. Great job on tackling these 40 essential road signs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with more helpful content. Check out more videos to keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.